which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Now, again, our Earth, what will happen to this Earth? So you will notice that the sun radiates its rays that will fall on the Earth's surface, right? So what will happen here is that a very little amount of light rays is absorbed. So all of them must go back, right? But this doesn't happen. Why? Because there's a blanket here. There's a blanket, and that blanket of gases. This blanket of gases is known as green. These blanket of gases is made up of greenhouse gases, which shows the effect of greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? So here the greenhouse effect is where the sun rays are trapped so that they can radiate the temperature evenly. They can distribute the temperature evenly, right? This was used to grow the tropical plants. So now what happens here? Let's see. What happened here is that these greenhouse gases, now of course these greenhouse gases are increasing the temperature because they are distributing the temperature evenly on Earth's surface. Okay, now these greenhouse gases are made up of, so let's see what are the composition of these greenhouse gases. They also involve methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide in some amount, but not ammonia. Not ammonia. Where have you heard this word ammonia? So you know that the plants cannot take up nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere directly. So then they convert this nitrogen into ammonia to be taken up by the plants as a nutrient for its growth and development. Okay. So of course it's not a greenhouse gas, and hence it makes up the correct answer.